Becoming a reflective practitioner based in knowledge and practice can benefit from the use of communities of practice. What is, therefore, a community of practice? Well, a community of practice, quite simply, is a group of people who come together to share information and experience, to offer insights to one another, and use this as a tool, this group process as a tool to develop areas of common interest and common needs. And at the heart of the community of practice are certain components. One component is the community, its membership, who's actually in the community, the relationships and the interactions between the members of the community of practice. The community here would be the group of teachers within the department, the group of teachers within the school, or even in the school system. The community can vary according to the way it's set up by those involved. Another aspect which we need to think about from this point of view, the community of practice, is the context, the domain in which the community occurs, because the context will very much provide the identity to the group and actually drive the focus for the sharing of experience and insights that the group engages with. And then, of course, part of a community of practice is the actual notion of practice. So in other words, the methods that we're applying, the knowledge about those methods, and the notion that we bring to the community of practice of expertise and professionalism. These all provide the defining criteria in which the community of practice operates. And the community of practice is there really in order to bring value to its members, value in the terms of the quality of learning, the extent of learning, and the depth of learning. And therefore, all members of a community of practice are willing participants in the process of collaboration and working together, in the process of contributing knowledge and sharing knowledge around those within the community. And so we have to think then, well, why establish a community of practice in a school? It's a very, very good mechanism. It's a very good means for developing rapidly, because an individual teacher is not reflecting individually. What is happening in a community of practice is that all reflective practitioners are going through the process of reflection and sharing the new insights, the new experiences, the new understandings with others. And therefore, knowledge and expertise grows rapidly in comparison to individual reflection. And as a forum for exploring and also testing ideas, the community of practice helps move the profession and the professionalism of teachers much more quickly towards good practice. The community of practice, therefore, is a place where new knowledge is more easily originated, where new understandings are created much more readily and explored and considered in more detail, and therefore can develop much more strongly over time. And perhaps most importantly is that knowledge development for the reflective practitioner through a community of practice is very much responsive to the context in which teachers are working. The context will have unique issues associated with it, new problems arising all the time which are individual to that context. And therefore, reflective practitioners within a community of practice have the opportunity to respond uniquely to those issues and problems as they arrive within the context that they occur.